Welcome to the... Oh. Oh my! Is it really raining that hard out there? You're absolutely drenched. Let me get you a towel. Ah, I see. Well, feel free to wait here until the rain passes. The last customer stole my last umbrella, so I guess you're stuck with me for now. I was gonna go home early today, too. Ugh. Oh, no, it's not for a date. Valentine's Day is just, I don't know, a special me, I guess. Man, I put so much effort into this outfit, too. What about you? Do you have a date for tonight? Oh, really? A sweetheart like you alone on a date like this? You know what? Fuck it. Let me turn off the open sign. What do you mean, huh? I'm gonna be your date. What? Is this little old bunny not good enough for you? I'm teasing. Feel free to pick some sweets from the display cabinet. They're all freshly baked. Most of them are from today's orders, but they didn't get picked up because of the rain, so they're ours for the taking. I hope you're a fan of strawberry. I don't really know how long we've been chatting, but I kinda don't want it to end. You're really easy to talk to. Sorry, was that too forward? um, but it looks like the rain has stopped. You can head out if you'd like, unless if you'd, like to stay a bit longer.